Hello students. Today we are learning about brake pressure regulator assembly replacement. Wood preparation. The brake pressure regulator is connected in series between the brake master cylinder and the wheel cylinder, and its function is, according to the ECU command, the brake pressure of the wheel cylinders is controlled directly or indirectly by solenoid valves for automatic adjustment. If the brake pressure regulator fails, it will affect the function of the ABS system, unable to protect the driver's safety on the road. We will learn how to perform a replacement on the brake pressure regulator assembly. Training equipment, Gilly 450. Training tools, a set of common tools, helmets, midland, flashlights. 1 vehicle protection measures. Installation of wheel chocks. Open the hatch. Installation of 3-piece outer room set. To disconnect the negative battery cable, use an insulated wrench. Loosen the fastening bolts of the negative battery cable. Remove the negative battery cable and cover the negative cable with an insulating plastic sleeve. 3. Removing the hydraulic electronic control unit. Removing the harness plug. 1. Press down on the plug catch and pull up on the locking clasp. Disconnect the wiring harness connector from the hydraulic electronic control unit. To cover the harness connector sockets and plugs with a rag to avoid contact with brake fluid. Drain brake fluid. Loosen the 2 brake lines connected to the brake master cylinder with a wrench. Drain brake fluid. Take care to wipe up spilled brake fluid with a towel. Remove brake lines. Use a wrench to remove the 6 brake line coupling nuts on the hydraulic electronic control unit. And wipe off any spilled brake fluid immediately. Marking of lines. Use labels to keep track of each line to ensure reconnection to the original position. Removing the hydraulic electronic control unit assembly, lifting vehicles. Remove the 3 fixing bolts of the hydraulic control unit. Remove the hydraulic electronic control unit and bracket. For installation of hydraulic electronic control unit, installation of hydro-electronic control unit and bracket. Tighten the 3 fixing bolts. Lower the vehicle. Reconnect the 6 brake lines according to the markings. Harness connector for connection to the hydraulic electronic control unit. Connect the negative battery terminal. Clean vehicles. Use a rag to clean the brake lines. 5 brake system evacuation. Connection of emission equipment. Remove bleeder screw dust cover. Attach a clear tube to the bleeder screw on the right rear caliper. Getting the tube into the brake fluid in the clear container. Exhaust process. 1. Use a special tool to connect the oil drain bolt of the brake cylinder. To loosen the bleeder screws. Air precipitation in the brake line using special tools. Wheel exhaust sequence. Left front, left rear, right hand front, right hand rear. Air in the rest of the brake front. Check the braking system for proper functioning. After removing all air from the brake front, check the brake pedal for softness. If the pedal is soft, repeat the entire venting procedure until normal. Tidy up your workstation. Tidying up the outer room 3-piece set. Recycled wheel plates. Packing up other tool. This time, we have explained the replacement of brake pressure regulator in detail. We hope that all students can apply their skills to practice and make use of what they have learned.